New video reveals how you can instantly pocket a $250 commission within the next 72 hours, even if you've made no money online. Alright, now what does this mean? What am I talking about? How are you going to make $250 in the next 72 hours? Well, if you stay tuned to the very end of this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process that you need to do to make that $250 in the next 72 hours. So stay tuned and we'll be going over that in this video. Hey guys, Dylan Afazio here. I want to welcome you to this video. I know the entry was a little hypey, but what I'm going to be sharing with you is a very, very simple formula. Now, what this simple formula is, it is using a instant pay program to allow you to generate endless $250 commissions even at 1:30 in the morning. Okay, so what I'm going to be going over here in just a moment, I'm going to show you a quick little sales page which is going to allow you to earn those $250 commissions. Now, if you guys want to join our team, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, and I'm going to give you, in this video, I'm going to give you a simple formula to actually go ahead and get your first sale in the next 72 hours. Now, by sale, yes, you need to make a sale, but you don't have to sell anybody, okay? The system's going to do all the selling for you, so don't worry, if you've never made a sale online, if you've never, done any sales, or you don't even like sales, don't worry, okay? The system's going to do all the selling for you. All you have to do is get people's eyeballs in front of this page. And I'm going to show you how to get access to this page right now. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, so the cool thing about this system is it's very automated, okay? It's very automated. It is very simple to join. It is very simple to set up, okay? It took me, I am an experienced marketer, but it's not very difficult at all. My dad could set it up, and he has trouble checking his emails. So it's a very simple process. You literally copy and paste 4 codes into the back office and you have your own system set up, and you can also link this to your email list. Okay, so when you're actually out there promoting this page, when people click the button and they enter in their email, you're actually building your email list as well, which is very, very powerful. A lot of programs don't actually allow you to build your own email list. They'll actually just keep those emails for themselves, okay? So the fact that you get to build your email list is very, very powerful. Now, the cool thing about this system, it is very, very simple. It's laid out very clean, and there's tons and tons of training on the back office. So this is a sneak peek at the back office. I'll be going over that a little bit more in depth here, but for the time being, what I want you to understand is this is a $250 program. So you pay $250 one time to unlock and become a direct response distributor. Okay, this means there is no tier. This is not MLM. This is not network marketing. Okay, this is a direct response business. You go out there, you get people in front of this page, right, and you allow the system to convert those sales for you. Now, this is converting very, very well. What I want you to see here is I'm actually just going to go over here. I'm going to type in Ben Martin. Now, this is my mentor. This is somebody who I recommend you guys go out and follow this guy. He is a beast when it comes to marketing, and this is who actually shared this with me. Okay, but this guy has made, I can't see the post here. I think it was this one right here. Let me just see. He's made over the last 74 hours. Look at all these people commenting. Okay, so he just woke up to another $500 commissions, and as you guys see here, as of filming this video, it's the 29th. So these are new money commissions. Okay, he's got money coming in, and check this out, guys. Check this out. So at 2:40 in the morning, right, 2:40 a.m., he's making commissions. So he wasn't even awake. And now check this out, okay? So this post right here, look at all these people commenting. So yes, he is a marketer. You know, he's been doing this for a while, but this is how simple it is. All you have to do, look at how hard this, you know, look at how this post looks, okay? So this is a very, very simple post going over, you know, how you can make $250 commissions, and then boom, somebody comments info, and all you do is you say, hey, you know, thanks for commenting, and you send them this page, okay? That's how easy it is to actually go out there and start getting some free traffic to this, so you can start earning those $250 commissions, okay? But I just wanted to show you that quickly to show you, you know, hey, I'm not the only one in this. There's tons of people in this, you know, Fearless Mama movement. That's the name of the actual business, all right? But it's a very, very powerful program, and you can actually start earning those $250 commissions very, very quickly, all right? So that's it for the social proof. Again, Ben Martin, good guy. He's actually who got me into this. So let's jump into the back office. Actually, let me briefly go over this. So when you click the link below, you'll enter in your email. There's a couple videos that you'll go over, and then you'll land on this page, okay? So you can scale this. They do have a $1,000 program built into the system. So in the back office, you can actually unlock this. If you click this image right here, you can unlock the $1,000 commission level, right? And as you guys see here, yes, it does go all the way up to 5,000. So as you grow, as you start earning those $250 commissions, you can then upgrade to the $1,000 level, right? The $1,000 training product, okay? And you can automatically start earning $1,000 commissions without doing any extra work, okay? The system, as you guys see here, just by coming to the $250 page and being qualified to earn those $1,000 commissions, if somebody clicks this, you know, image and joins the $1,000, you know, program, which they will when they join the $250 program and start making some sales, they're going to be like, okay, this works, I want to upgrade. So you want to make sure that you're qualified for, you know, the highest level that you can actually get. And once you start making some sales, you know, reinvest that into your business so that you can start making those commissions. But to get started, the $250 level is amazing, right? You can go out there and start making those commissions very, very quickly. Now, one of the main reasons why I like this, you know, I've been in lots of instant pay programs. I'm not sure if you guys have been following for a while, but if you go back, we do have the instant commission system, which is a low ticket, like $20 to $30 offer, which pays you out $20 to $30 commissions. But the problem with that is, now let me just go over to my Stripe here. Okay, so I want to show you guys my Stripe here. This is over the last couple days. You know, I haven't really been promoting the low ticket offer. I'm actually running a campaign for a different offer right now, and then we're going to be starting a campaign for the Fearless Mama. Okay, so the low ticket program, the cool thing about this, you know, yes, it pays out instantly. Yes, I've made, you know, over $600 from it, but check this out, 16 successful payments, okay? So imagine getting 16 successful payments of $250, right? So 250 times 16, okay, that's a cool $4,000 instead of $600, okay? Now, that's where the power comes into play, okay? Now, check this out. Say, you know, you signed up 16 of those. Say 7 of them upgraded to the $1,000 program. Well, boom, check that out. Boom, cool, $7,000, okay? So that's where the power of this system actually comes into play. And again, I'm sure you can do the math, but say somebody went up and, you know, maybe you made one $5,000 sale from an automated system every single month, right? That's pretty life-changing, okay? So that is the, you know, the mindset and the business model of this. Now, yes, this is a training product, and yes, the training is 100% valuable. So if you go to the dashboard, there's all of this. You can watch the welcome video. The cool thing I like about this is this Fearless blog. So if you go over here, this is just a simple free website that you can send people to with 4 different videos going over 4 different methods that they can actually, you know, get some more information and start this business, you know, if that's what they want to do. With the Fearless Mama, there is so much value. You know, I've already we've already hit the 10-minute mark, and I haven't even got into some of the bonuses inside of the back office. But I just want to go over a couple of these tabs here. If you guys want to join our team, all you got to do is click the link below. We'll help you get started, and we'll help you make, start making those commissions. What I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you actually go over to the Six Figure Marketers Club. Now, there'll be a link for the Six Figure Marketers Club below, but I want you to go over here and I want you to join this group, because this is going to have the instant commission system, which is a great traffic source, okay, for you to start getting some more traffic for the programs that we promote. And it's also going to have a free training of how to get some free traffic from Facebook. So definitely recommend joining this group. It's 100% free to join, and the video is 100% free, okay? So this is just a little method to help you guys get even more sales. So inside of the back office, we have the training portal, okay? So this is a 7-module training portal, which is just going to teach you, there's some intro into it, and then you're going to go, some more background on the program itself, right? Just to get you guys some more information. We'll go into the backstory of the creator of this program, okay? And then they're going to show you some money-making methods, and just some more mindset training and things like that of, how to actually start making those sales, okay? Like I said, all you have to do is really get eyeballs in front of this offer, and the system's going to do all the selling and telling for you. So you don't have to worry about pitching or closing anybody. Literally, with programs like this, the more you say, the less money you make, okay? The less you say, the more money you make. You go out there, you say, hey, thanks for requesting info. Check this out. Let me know if you have any questions, right? Let them be the decider of their fate, okay? If they want to join, that's up to them. If they don't want to join, that's also up to them, right? You don't want to be pushing people into sales. You don't want to be pushing people into, joining your business, because it's just going to create more headache for you. If you see potential in this, go ahead and get started, okay? So the final video is a very, very good video. It's going to show you how to get those high ticket sales, right? It's going to show you how to get those high ticket people that are going to buy those $1,000, $3,000, and $5,000 commission levels, okay? So those are the people that you want to be joining in your business. Now, in the extra goodies, they got a Craigslist secrets message, and then under the bonuses, there is also the Fearless Mastermind. But under the bonuses, there's 5 extra trainings, okay? There's a couple different webinars which you can actually go through. They go over some good solo ad vendors and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend watching all of these trainings within the first 24 hours to 72 hours of joining this business, right? You want to go through all of the training and become a master of the program. You want to know every single thing about this, so that, say somebody goes through and they just have a quick question for you, you want to be able to answer that question, because if you couldn't answer that question, that's going to cost you $250, okay? So are you going to go out there, are you going to drop $250, take it seriously, start earning those $250 commissions, or are you just going to watch this video, go back to scrolling through Facebook and playing video games on your phone? All right, make the decision, take action, do what it takes to start your business off right, start making those $250 commissions, and I look forward to having you guys on the team, okay? So thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have got started and if you guys are making some money within your first 24 to 72 hours. All right, guys, so Dylan Afazio here. Thank you for watching. Please, if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We just broke the 1,000 subscription mark, which is awesome, and I look forward to continuing to grow with you guys and providing as much value as I can. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.